Good morning, students. Now we will discuss about the exercise 1C of mathematics. First lesson, rational numbers, exercise C. First question is add the following rational numbers, and the first part is minus 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. We will see how to add these two numbers. Because of the denominators are equal, so we will wait and start the question when denominators are equal. So we will add the numerator like this only, and we will get minus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5 is equals to minus 2 plus 4 upon 5. It is 2 upon 5. Like this, the fourth part also I show you how to do. It is minus 7 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. Minus 7 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 both have the same denominator, so it will be minus 7 plus 1 upon 3. It is equals to minus 6 upon 3, and it is, after the calculation, minus 2. We will take care when the negative number will be there, so we will keep the negative number in the bracket. Then only it will be easy handling with it negative number. Now, in the same way, the rest part you will do yourself. Second question, add following rational number. Here, in the second question, the denominators are not equal. We know how to add the numbers, rational numbers whose denominators are not equal. Simply, we will take the LCM of the denominator and then calculate the respective numerators. We will do the fourth question. Fourth part of the second question is minus 5 upon 16 and 7 upon 24. Here the LCM of 16 and 24 can be 48. So here it will be 16 3 are 48 and minus 5 3 are minus 15 plus 24 2 are 48 7 2 are 40. It is minus 1 upon 48. In the same way, we will do the rest part of the second question. One more part let I do. It is suppose ninth part. 0 and minus 2 upon 5. 0 will add to any number, it will be remain same. So 0 plus minus 2 upon 5 is equals to minus 2 upon 5. Now, the third question. It is saying us to verify the question 3, first part. Verify the following. The first part is minus 12 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 5. We know the closure property of rational number tells us that the two numbers can be added by any way, the result will be remain same, and it is also of the same type. What type of the numbers are added means two rational numbers are added, so the result will also be a rational number. We will add here and check and verify the solution. It will be right like this. 35 will be LCM here and 35 will be LCM here. 5 7 ja, so 12 7 ja 80, 84 minus 7 5 ja 2 5 ja 10, 7 5 ja, so 5 2 ja 10 plus 5 7 ja, so 12 7 ja minus 80 4. Minus 84 plus 10 will give minus 74 upon 35, and here also minus 74 upon 35. Both the answers are equal, so the result is verified. In the same way, you can do the rest part of the question 3. Next question 4. Verify the following. Here are the three rational numbers given. We have to apply here the associative property of the rational number, where three number can be added by the two ways, but the result will be equal. Result will be same. The third part of the fourth question is this: minus 1 plus minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4 is equals to minus 1 plus minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4. All the negative numbers will be in different brackets. See, it will be, first we will solve the bracket. Here we will take LCM. 3 4 ja 4 2 ja minus 8 plus 4 3 ja 3 3 ja minus 9, and here take the LCM. 3 1 ja minus 3 plus minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4. Now minus 1 plus 8 9 minus 17 upon 12. 12 will be 12 minus 1 plus minus 17 upon 12, and here it will be minus 5 upon 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 plus minus 3 upon 4. Now take LCM. 12 3 4 ja 4 5 ja minus 20 plus 4 3 ja, it is minus 9. 12 and 17 of minus will be minus 29 upon 12, and here also it is minus 29 upon 12. Both are equal, so we will write the result is verified. The result is 12 upon minus 29 upon 12 and minus 29 upon 12, so the result is verified. Now the next question comes, fill in the blanks. Here the two numbers are added, so the next number we have to find ourselves. Simply we can do this. Question number 6. Find the additive inverse each of the following. To find the additive inverse, we know what is the additive inverse. The additive inverse means that number which make the given rational number 0 is called its additive inverse. So the given rational numbers are given of what sign? The additive inverse will be of its opposite sign. In the question number 6, the first part is given 1 upon 3. So additive inverse will be simply minus 1 upon 3. In the same way, 0 have no additive inverse. 0 is 0. Minus 17 upon 8, the additive inverse is 17 upon 8, because minus 17 upon 8 will add to the 17 upon 8 gives 0. Now comes subtract. Question number 7. Question number 7. Subtract 3 upon 4 from 1 upon 3. See, from 1 upon 3 subtract 3 upon 4. Different denominator, LCM will be taken. It is 3 4 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 upon 12. So minus 5 upon 12 will give the will get the answer. Now fifth part I do. It is minus 18 upon 11 from 1. From 1 minus 18 upon 11. This is the situation comes when a negative number is subtracted from the 1 in this way. So the minus minus will become plus. And it will be 11 bन जाएगा 11 plus 18 upon 11, it is 29 upon 11. Now the next question. In the same way, you can do the rest all parts. Here are total 8 parts. Just let me show you the picture. I will send you the picture of the exercise. Using the rearrangement property, find the sum. In the rearrangement property, the rearrangement property tells us if the more than 3 numbers are given, so we will add the numbers in the groups. We will make the group ourselves 2 groups. See. The first part 4 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 plus minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 11 upon 5. We will make the groups. We have arranged the number in group. Simply we will add down. It will be 15 LCM. Here will also 15 LCM will be added afterward also. It will be 20 here respective numerator, and it will be 9. And here 3 5 are 15. 5 to the minus 10 plus 5 3 are. It is minus 33. 29 upon 15 plus it is minus 43 upon 15. 3 5 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 and 3 11 is minus 33. 33 and minus 10 together of the because of minus sign will be added and it is minus 43. Now when the denominators are equal, so the numerator will be added like this only. 29 plus minus 43 upon 15, it will be 20. 9 on 3, 13 on 9 is 4 and 3 on 2 is 1. It is of minus upon 15. So the result is minus 14 upon 15. In the same way, we can do the rest 3 part by the rearranging of the number in this way, and we will get the answers. Afterward comes word problem. The first word problem 9th is tells us the sum of the two rational number is minus 2. If one of the number is given minus 14 upon 5, find the other. Sum of two rational number is equals to 2. One rational number is given minus 14 upon 5. Second rational number is equals to sum of two rational number minus first rational number. It is 2 minus 14 upon 5. 2 5 is 10 minus 14 upon 5. So it will be 10 plus 14 upon 5, it is 24 upon 5. So 24 upon 5 is a second rational number which will be added to the minus 14 upon 5. It will give us 2. The sum of the two rational number is 2 in that case. In the same way, the 10th, the sum of the two rational number is given minus 1 upon 2. One of the rational number is given, so we will subtract the first rational number from the sum of the two rational number. In the same way, the 10th question also we can do. 11th, what number should be added to minus 5 upon 8 so that we get minus 3 upon 2? Here, minus 3 upon 2 is the sum of the two rational number and first number is minus 5 upon 8. So from the sum minus 3 upon 2 we will subtract minus 5 upon 8. We will get the next rational number which is added to the minus 5 upon 8 to make the sum minus 3 upon 2. Now, the 13th question, what number should be subtracted from minus 2 upon 3 to get minus 1 upon 6? The same way, this question also will be done by the student. Thank you.